Shay, this is gonna be a fun one to tour,
It doesn't
I think.
look very fun. Like, seriously, it's way too many holes in the roof. I think I see some random creature peeking
Just the right amount of holes.
Like, seriously, no, what is that? Is that an animal peeking out?
I believe it is a
Some
mushroom.
type of rodent. Consider this home tenant occupied at this point.
He's a fun guy. Oh my God. I've been waiting my whole life for that joke. I will say it has sat abandoned for about 12 years now.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much did you guys pay for this place?
This is only 1,000.
Oh, good.
So it's around 1,100 square feet.
Yep, 1180.
It's 3 bedrooms and 1 bath.
That's big.
Parts of this house are definitely not safe enough for 3 people to walk in, I would say. So we're taking kind of a ginger approach to it. I don't want Shay falling through into the basement. She would never come see a house again.
So nice kitchen, huh?
I don't like it. I don't like this kitchen.
It is a little small.
There's trash and poop. But there's windows.
There's no dining room. Because this house is gonna need some budget on the reno,
Obviously. Jeez, oh, Pete.
So the living room is actually a very nice size, I think.
This living room is so dang on gross.
Yeah, this is one that we'll start in the basement, kind of work our way up, make sure all the floor joists are done right. All the drywall has to go.
So much water damage.
The biggest issue with this house is the roof has completely failed.
Water has just been pouring in for probably years, maybe, I mean, who knows how long.
A lot of the plaster has deteriorated to nothing, just little crumbly piles.
All right, shall we move on?
Ugh.
So this part of the house, the roof didn't fail as bad.
Right.
So like you can see like the plaster, I mean, it's not like great, but it's not anywhere near as bad as the living room.
No.
The floor,
Wow, okay, I trust
Totally
you. Please
fine.
don't do that.
you can do cartwheels in here.
No, you won't.
Everyone get out their flashlight.
Spotlighting every pile of poop on the stairwell.
Oh gosh, yeah, just don't even step on this last one.
Oh my God, Evan, are you serious? Oh, look, you can see into the living room.
Ooh, it's literally like
It's
a
just
sponge.
water. But I do appreciate the ceiling height, and you have really good square footage up here. I wish I would have wore different boots because I actually like these. So at this point, I have to burn them, which is unfortunate.
The state of this house is a complete disaster.
Disaster doesn't seem strong enough.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if the rental budget reached like 80 on this house.
I mean, like, all poop aside, I can see it. I absolutely love this block. It's a nice tree-lined street. You have an elementary school within walking distance. Not to mention, Keith and Evan have revitalized at least a dozen homes within a 1-mile radius. So we have really good comps that will support pricing. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,180 square feet. I'm pretty sure we can list this at 110, maybe even higher by the time you're done. So we for sure got to get closer to that 110 number so you guys could buy that one right there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.
That is some wet wood.
That is very wet.
First things first, we have to get rid of all the water damage in this house, which really is basically everything.
I like the colors.
We need to get roofers over here to stop the water incursion and then just rebuild everything. These studs are good though.
Yeah.
That's nice.
You look good. The layout is almost as bad as the water damage in this house. The kitchen is tiny and the bedroom is in a weird spot, but I have an idea. There has to be some way to make this a better floor plan. I think this particular bungalow layout is like one of the absolute worst. I want to move the kitchen up to the front of the house, add an island and a dining area, and then turn this bedroom into the living room. We then create a bedroom in the back of the house where the kitchen is currently located. In the end, we'll have a larger, more functional kitchen and a great open floor plan for the main living area. The other thing I love about moving the kitchen to the front of the house is there's just so much light in here. I feel like it could really give it kind of this beach luxury vibe, pretty much like we're in the Hamptons. When I think of the Hamptons, I think light, breezy, and very relaxed. There will be a lot of white and accents of pale mint green. I want to use natural materials such as seagrass light fixtures and some wood cedar shake on the exterior.
Hi,
Hello.
Keith. I see a lot of progress so far.
How's it going?
Pretty good. This is exciting.
I agree. I think it's going to be very cozy and very charming.
Do you want to share the color?
It's white.
Oh, nice.
So we're going with Hamptons. So
Oh, it's the
everything's gonna
Hamptons.
be very
Okay.
neutral.
Simple and classic, white and cedar.
Nice.
Nobody can object. Not even Evan.
So when I was here before, oh, it was so gross.
No, it's a far cry from that. I am super happy
I
with
think
this.
you're gonna like the layout change. It's
So-
very different.
It should be really great for resale.
I'm excited. Ooh.
What do you think?
What did you do?
So the kitchen is gonna be obviously over here.
Okay.
There, you have your sink here. The cabinets will end here. And then you have your stove and some cabinets in your fridge.
Wait. So you
then
just flipped the
an
whole thing
island.
around. I love it so much. This is gonna sell this house.
Right.
You walk into a beautiful kitchen, all this natural light.
It feels massive.
I know originally I mentioned we can list it at like 109, but we can push it to like 114.9 with this fabulous kitchen. This island is gonna greet buyers when they walk in the door like, where do I sign?
I agree.
So let's go for it.
All right, cool.
Hold it really tight.
It is a rare thing to use a white cabinet for me, but in this house, it really feels appropriate. That clean, easy, breezy lifestyle, white just works so beautifully. Keep it simple, elegant, and timeless. So the cedar is super affordable, and it just really brings in that whole Hamptons vibe.
I'm not sure why cedar is associated with the Hamptons, but
Have you ever been there?
no.
Me neither. I heard that there's a lot of cedar.
What else are we doing in this living room to kind of like take it to the next level?
We have a sound wave here.
What does this sound wave have to do with Hamptons?
It's supposed to remind you of waves without a literal representation of waves.
You could just claim that it's the sound recording of a wave. Right?
The inspiration for the design wood wall feature in the living room is really to do with waves, but I don't want to take it too literal. I don't want like, you know, a beach sign somewhere that says beach that way. Like, that's not what we're after.
So Keith and Evan purchased this home for $1,000, which is unbelievable. And the renovation budget was $80,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath at 1,180 square feet. Originally, I mentioned we can list it at 109, 110, but I'm thinking we can increase it a little higher, at least by $5,000, and list it at 114.9.
Comfy, huh?
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
Wow, awesome.
And believe it or not, this used to be a bedroom.
It's bright and airy. You don't want to leave. Yeah, you want somebody to come do your grocery shopping for you.
This backsplash is awesome. It's like fluorescent, kinda.
And I love the way the light bounces off of it.
Who would have thought to put leather straps on a cabinet?
But it goes with everything.
Right.
The leather
The
pulls.
leather pulls. Never seen that
I've
before.
never seen the pull-ups and cabinets.
That's great.
I love the island.
Isn't it perfect? You have storage on this side and then additional seating on the other side. It's like a perfect gathering space.
Yes.
All it needs now is my 2 wine glasses.
Oh, this is nice.
The level of design and the attention to detail in this home, you just don't see in this neighborhood or within this price point. I mean, this home is a first-time buyer's dream.